Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. We're back home after a little trip to Edmonton. So yeah, man. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. We're about to have a great live session. We got saved on AUD CAD by the God of Spread, I guess. Yeah, it was a really close one, but hey, it's good. Let's see what's going on this morning. What's up, Sash? Hope you're doing well. Hey, buddy, I'm Yogi. I'm doing good. What about you? Good morning. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Peter. Krish, good morning. How are you, buddy? Yeah, we got saved by literally like, phew. This one was close, not gonna lie. Um, Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Bilal. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. All right, we're about to get started, guys. Rock and roll. Let's not lose any seconds and let's jump into it. Forgot this little. I need to put something here. Where is it? Um, where's my banners? There we go. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so let's get going. Something like that. Is my chair lower than usual? I don't know. Oh well. Give me one second, guys. It's getting warm in my office. Man, I don't know. The heating system in my office is just like crazy. Um, oh well, it's the room I think and the entire house that when we put the heating system on, it's getting so warm so quick. It's crazy. Oh well. All right. So let's see here. Before we jump into it, we got Krish market has been good for in this current trade. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's jump into it, guys. Let's start with GJ because we always start. Oh, I mean, I always start with GJ. Hey, guys, as you coming in, make sure to smash the goddamn like button, please. Very important. We're trying to bring back this those people, right, that used to be with us. And also new people that we can help, right? Because this is the main goal of this stream is to actually help you guys. This is not for myself to get views and this and shit. I don't need that, to be honest. It's just to be able to reach out a little bit more people and be able to help them. Okay. So that's the main reason and only reason why I'm doing this. I don't need to do this. Not gonna lie, I like being with you guys and helping each one of you, getting those DMs saying that the stream helped them. That's my paycheck right there. Okay, so all right, so let's jump into it. GJ. All right, let's look at GJ. GJ is bearish right now. We let's get the tools over here. All right, cool. So GG is bearish. We pulled up, almost creating a new high. We got this doji. Look like we're about to have a little pullback here to the downside. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish. Yeah, so daily is bullish. So we got the weekly bearish, daily bullish. 4 hour now. 4 hour just turned bearish. So let's modify that to this here. Let's change this. And lower low. Okay, so now let's recap. We got the 4 hour bearish, daily bullish, weekly bearish. What we do with that? Next. All right, so we're not losing any time with this one. All right, so but scalping wise, we'll get back to it because I think that scalping wise, there might be something to do with this thing. Especially that here we got clean traffic to the left side. So scalp wise, we'll come back to it, but there's something we can do. All right. So AUD CAD, this is the D trade I'm actually in right now. It's something we discussed on live session last Thursday. So it's very important you guys attend those Forex talk over beer because I mean this was given for free to you guys. Like solid trade idea here. All right, cool. So let's jump into it. So we basically had price bullish at the moment. I mean, not at the moment, but prior, like right here price was bullish. Once we broke and closed under here, we became bearish. We had price pulling back up to retest previous area of interest on the daily. We'll go see that in a second, which is also a major QP right here, which is the 89,000. And you'll see also the daily golden zone. So give me one sec. We'll switch to the daily. So now looking at the daily is a bearish, right? So daily is bearish. So basically price went bearish here. We had the retest here in that daily golden zone. Unfortunately, the first attempt didn't work last week. And that's okay. We gave the trade a second chance. And if you want to understand how I didn't enter, I think actually this was right here. But you can watch Forex stock over here. If I remember correctly, we had price coming up here, was bullish on the 4 hour, flip bearish when we had the pullback. I took it on the 2 hours, if I'm not wrong. Was it a 2 hour, 1 hour? I can't remember. But whatever. I think it was right somewhere right here. Or here, I can't remember. But go watch Forex stock over there was fully breakdown. So anyway, so first attempt didn't work. So what we did now to re-enter that trade, very simple. So I actually waited for price on the 4 hour to create a new lower low. All right, so right here. So if you look here, boom, here we go. So we had price doing this, and creating a new lower low. Waited for the pullback. Waited for the pullback to take it to the downside. And where was that pullback at? Where was that pullback at? Boom, right here. We respected the safety net. So I was like, all right, awesome. Let's take that trade. Actually, it was from that wick. That wick is the beginning of the push. Yeah. So we were inside that golden zone. Exactly. Okay. So now if you go check out the 1 hour, if you look here, grab the arrows. Where are my arrows? Here. Perfect. So if we look here, we had price coming down. That was bearish, right? Here we're still bearish. Here we're still bearish. We didn't broke up over here. And we have this nice engulfing candle right here. So that was the main idea, right? Let's remove this. So basically took it after this 1 hour candle, put the stop above structure, because if we close over here, I mean, the idea isn't valid. The only thing though you got to be careful is like market closed and price was going back and forth with spread like crazy. Not gonna lie, I got a little scared. It was super close, but we're still up like what, 16 pips. But yeah, it's doing its thing right now. So this is the power of set and forget. Thank you, Alex. And yeah, man, just let it do its thing. Right now, if we look at the 4 hour, previous 4 hour closed like massive bearish engulfing, looks pretty good. The only thing I don't like here is we failed of breaking previous low, which is kind of and we're keep rejecting that level here. So I don't know. I can't wait for one candle to be closing under the shit right now. Like a 4 hour candle, because look at all the prior. Look at all those. Jeez. Look at all those wicks rejection right here to that level. Kind of not cool. So can't wait to be closing under. If you look at the 2 hour, the 2 hour actually created a lower low, which is a good sign. The 1 hour also. So I guess now we're gonna have a little pullback. 30-minute didn't create the lower low yet. So we'll see. Actually, this needs to be updated right now. Yeah, because those lines were there when before I took the trade. So now after that, you see here when I almost got stopped, price flipped bullish, right? So price flipped bullish from there to there. Here we go. Perfect. So right here we failed on coming back bearish, but now we're clearly bearish here. Perfect. actually, let's go on the 30-minute. So 30-minute was kind of the same thing. Here, oops, sorry. So here we're gonna update this. If you look here, we failed on flipping bearish, but now we are clearly bearish. The only thing I need to check here is, did we create a new lower low? Oh, we did. Okay. So 1 hour has a new lower low. Perfect. I mean 30 minutes, sorry. So 1 hour. 1 hour is good. 2 hours good. All right. 4 hour. 4 hour now is still good. Daily is good. Man, I can't wait for this daily to close under, and we're gonna be good for a nice little ride here. All right, cool. So I think that's AUD CAD. Let's see if we have some question coming up, guys, and don't forget to smash that like button. Okay, so let's see. I'm Yogi, like the stream, guys. Thank you, I'm Yogi, for the support. I bet you have taken 1% risk in AC, as it isn't on a daily golden zone as you told us on previous video of TOB. I'm right. Yes, 1% at risk. But it did reach the daily golden zone. And the reason why I went 1%, it's because I took that trade on a Monday. So that's mostly the reason. I don't take a lot of trade on Mondays because usually they are a little trickier. So that's why. But we did reach the daily golden zone. Because the thing is, yeah, okay, no, I understand what you mean, Chris. Sorry. So I didn't reach the new golden zone, but this for me was a second attempt on a previous trade idea that I think I was just a little early, or I got screwed by the news, whatever. But this consideration was based on previous confirmations, right? So this is something that you guys gonna be able to do, like after a little while, like after more experience and being more confident into your analysis. No problem. But yeah, it's something that was based out of. But even there, like even if we use the new lower low here, we actually like rejected the 382. But and we're super close. Like we're at the golden zone right now with that wick. So if you drop down the time frame, you'll see that you get that rejection right here, at the golden zone. So very close to it. So, even if I wasn't in that trade yet, I would be probably looking to get back somewhere around here, on that candle right here. Oops. Like, god damn. Well, anyways, you get the point. Like this right here, So once price flipped back bearish here, we got a pullback. Boom. Here would be another great area to re-enter that trade. But this is just for learning purposes, guys. All right, so let's remove this fib so it's not confusing. Like to keep the chart as clean as possible. All right, so let's move on. Good morning, Ferris. How are you, buddy? I'm Yugi. Sasha, check USDCHF. We will. It's not on the game plan, but it's very close to it. So we're definitely going to take a look at it. Good morning. Yeah, I said that. Sorry. True experience speak right there. Yes, sir. Okay, so let's move on. Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Let's go take a look. Okay, so this is the one that I was so sad of missing the entries last week. Like I was like so mad at myself, but it's part of the game. So what happened now? I mean, we're still bearish. We got to pull back. We're respecting the safety zone, the safety net. I mean, what am I saying? Daily, we're good. Okay. And the reason why I didn't put some area of interest is because I mean we're so low that there's nothing over here. there's nothing to the left. So that's why I'm using mainly my golden zone right here and previous structure point, right? So now if you look to the weekly, like I said, we're bearish pullback, daily bearish, we got a pullback respecting the safety net. 4 hour now, and this is where I got mad. Like once, like we were looking at this at Forex Talk of a Beer, and I was like, ah, shoot, because once we had this push here, actually this flip bearish, and we found an entry. I think it was like somewhere in here. But again, go check Forex Talk of a Beer. You'll see the perfect entry was right there. But even there, like even if you waited, I mean even here, like you got the pullback here, you got another engulfing. This is on the 4 hour. There was many ways to enter, but I did miss all of those bullshit. But now I'm really debating with myself right now for pullback. Yes, I know you're gonna tell me like, is that an elbow? I don't count that as an elbow. For me, it's a doji, so it's a right-off candle. So if you push the two candles side by side, boom, there's no more elbow. So for me, no. So now we got this pullback inside that golden zone. Actually, let's update those lines. So this is the new lower low, and this is the lower high. And once we broke above, we became bullish. So higher high and higher low on H1. There we go. Perfect. The 30-minute. Let's bring those lines. So 30 minutes, same thing. We were bearish right here. Ooh, okay. So once we close above, like it was actually bearish from there to there, because we actually have this elbow now. We got a lower low. So once we broke and close above, I mean we flip bullish. So here is the new 30-minute bullish and 30-minute bullish. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we are up to date. Yeah, okay, cool. So now the only thing I'm going to be missing for this trade is basically for price to switch structure after reaching this golden zone. So definitely going to keep an eye on that one. It's getting close. Let's see. I think I have a question coming up. Hold on. Wait a second. Missed those one. Oh, thanks. Meow meow Sasha. Is that right? How you doing, bro? It's been a while. Could you review my trade? Yeah. We're gonna take a look at it. Why so many people defying Alex on his intro on USDCHs as he took entry below area of interest and tell that he lost his touch edge in trading. Oh well. Yeah, I'm not gonna comment on that. The only thing I think that Alex did change though, things being a little bit more aggressive than he used to. And I don't think it's being good for him. But that's just how I see it from the outside. But again, nothing against the guy. The guy is good. So I think that's the only thing. He used to trade like he used to use only with three time frame in sync. Now these days, sometimes when the lower time frame in sync is going in, so of course when you're more aggressive, you're taking a little bit more trade. But again, he didn't took a lot of trade either. So I don't know. Whatever. Um, everybody got his up and down, and I don't think he's down. So, anyways, continuing off previous message, but people don't understand that the whole point is not to take a trade based on the area of interest, but take it on. Oh yeah, no, exactly, absolutely right on that one. So yeah, even like it's same thing with the golden zone. Yes, like it doesn't mean that the like this. I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so this let's say we got this here, we create a new higher high. We're doing this. Um, and yeah, no, this example is not good, Sasha. Hold on, let's do this again. So let's say you got this, and I don't know. This one is so perfect though. It's not gonna work. But okay, so because this one is actually perfect right now because this is the perfect scenario. Okay, so this is the perfect scenario. We're gonna create a new high here. I'm just gonna wait for break under here. So which is perfect, you know. But in the case of let's say that we don't have that elbow. Okay, so let's say that price is straight up like this, you know. I'm gonna have to take it from here, you know, which is not ideal, which is not at the, let's say this is the area of interest, but it reached that area of interest, but I need to wait for price to break under. So you're right, you know. So, anyways, side note. But this is looking super good right now. Yeah. Again, guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you guys coming in. Let's take a look at GU. GU, let's start with the weekly. La 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 la. Let's start with the weekly. Let's put it smaller. All right, so weekly is whoa. So weekly is bearish. We have this pullback inside a golden zone, which is also an area of interest, which is also a major QP, which is perfect. We've been looking at this pair for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. 9 weeks. 9 weeks. I've been looking at this pair. Well, it's less than NZD CAD for sure, but still, you know, it's just like this. Like I'm like, GU, can you please get the hell down there? But whatever. All right, so now if you look at the daily, we've just been ranging, right? Just ranging. We create a lower low, create a lower high, and anything in between right now is just market structure. So I'm literally waiting for price to break under, you know, and to continue down. Mostly, let's remove that. We had him one attempt, didn't work. We explained that last week on Forex stock over beer. Let's remove that. But yeah, 4 hour right now. 4 hour is bullish. Place my alert, and that's about it. You know, so basically looking for daily or 4 hour. Actually, if the 4 hour breaks under here, which is almost the same low as the daily, so if we broke here, retest, continue downside, we should be fine. But we've been rejecting this level pretty hard right now. Okay, so GU in the process, but not ready. AD USD, AD USD, USD, AUD USD. ADUSD bearish since a while, since August 22. And daily is bearish. We had this pullback. There's some people who took trades here. And the problem is I know it's an area of interest, right? Don't get me wrong. But I just think this pullback is way too small. That's what I don't like when I see that. When I see an area of interest too close to it, I'm like, ah. And you know, that's why this trade didn't work out, you know. So yeah, last week was not so good. I think last week I didn't do the math, but thank God I had one scalp. Um total I think it was like minus 1.5 or something like that. Or maybe minus 2. Yeah, because I should be minus 2 around there. I should check, but whatever. But yeah, last week was a roller coaster. Anyways, let's focus on this week. So yeah, so anyways, so we got price coming down, and that's why I don't believe in that one. I believe more into this, and also this golden zone. Probably. Whoops, what the hell? Let's remove this. Remove from there to there. You see, gold zone is going to be probably around here. So now we're starting to have a real pullback. We're rejecting the 382. We're super close to the golden zone. So now we got a real pullback. But when I tried that, it was like somewhere around here, my first trade. So it was not ideal. That's why I said to Chris, I think I sent a message to Chris. I said, if this trade doesn't go well, I'm adding in new rules. If it doesn't reach at least, my golden zone as a pullback, I'm reducing my risk if I'm taking it or just not taking it at all, and that's it. So now, all right, let's refocus here. So we got a weekly bearish, like we said. We got the daily bearish. We're starting to have this pullback. For right now, let's update those lines. Did we create a new higher high? No, we didn't create a new high. So the lower highs, the high low is here, the higher high is here, and anything in between is just market structure. So we got to be patient. You gotta be patient. So again, the best thing here would be for price to do something like this, come down, break this, retest to continue to the downside. But doesn't look like it. Look like we're coming down now. So AUDUSD, we gotta be super patient. It's not looking super nice, so I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the blue one. NZD USD looks good right now. Like this week, if we close bullish engulfing, that's gonna be sexy. That's gonna be sexy, baby. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you're coming in. Let's go. Let's go. We're building back the audience. Man, we used to have like hundreds of people live here. But hey, it's part of the game. Okay, so daily. Okay, let's recap. Weekly bullish, daily is bearish at the moment. So obviously, my thing would be for price to do something like this. This would be perfect if we do this, something like this, and we break above, or retest to continue to the upside. So of course, this trade is not going to be ready now, right? But just keep in mind, this trade is about to rock and roll. It just sucks that we're not able to break structure right now. 4 hours bullish though. So 4 hours bullish, weekly bullish, daily bearish. So I can do shit right now. So what we do next. All right. So Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Look at this. What the fuck? Here we go. So that was, when was that? Oh, where's my, okay, there we go. So that was last week also. Yeah, last week wasn't that great. We explained that also in Forex Talk over beer, so make sure to go tune in. All right, so weekly. So weekly bullish, daily bullish. Now, and again, Euro AUD was the same thing. Can I do Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z? Where's that entry? What? Maybe. Here we go. Okay. So you see, again, okay. So again, this is another, that the reason why I put this back. This is another great reason. If you look here, we were at, this is a perfect example, guys. And I want you to take some notes here. Okay. Here we have price bullish. We're coming down to this area of interest, right, on the daily time frame. And when we flipped bullish on the lower time frame, I took the entry to the upside. But this pullback is so small, that most of the time price will get down to this freaking golden zone before pushing back up, or the safety net, which is our last area. And look at this. Look at, like, seriously, like, how, like, I'm not making this up, guys. Like, look at this. Like, fuck. Just like, Hello, to the fucking T. So, yeah. So now we're about to give that trade a second chance. Let's see. Let's see, because now it looks decent. And I'm sure if I look, we're going to have an area of interest in sync with that day golden zone. Maybe not on the weekly. Let's check on the daily. Here we got support. Here we got what? Actually, here we got resistance. Let's see. We got resistance here. I mean here. We got another resistance there. So it's a okay area of interest right here. So that one make more sense. So here I can remove that one because we broke it anyways. So here would be this daily area of interest. Here we go. Perfect. Awesome. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour create a new lower low. Boom. There we go. Perfect. So now we just need the H4 to go bullish once again. So now we need to flip back above. That's the only thing that sucks. But again, that comes down to Chris' point. I'm not taking the trade at the day golden zone, but I need to take the trade after it breaks here. Once it does, I'm gonna wait for the pullback because I want to buy at the higher low potential to take it to the upside. You know, so let's go. Plus, the thing is, if you buy here, I mean, what the fuck, dude? Like your RR is not that great. So wait for the pullback. You're gonna have a better RR, anyways. Actually, I'm gonna place an alert here. H4. I'm going bullish. What the fuck? What am I doing? Bullish. There we go. Perfect. All right, EuroCAD. I didn't forget about you, by the way. Who sent a chart? Zarif. Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. Sorry, man. I got distracted. We're gonna finish those blue one. So we got two more to go. And we're gonna USD CHF, and after that, I'll jump into your trade. Okay. Make sure to smash a like button, guys, as you coming in. All right, so let's go to the weekly. So if you look here, the weekly is bullish. We got the pullback inside that golden zone. We destroyed the first area of interest. Second area of interest is right here. Actually, right here, we got like resistance, resistance, resistance. We got another resistance there, two resistance there. So this one's pretty solid also. And I'm pretty sure we're close to a major QP right here. Yeah. Oh my God, guys. You won't believe this. You won't believe this. Oh my God. So this, plus we're going to put major QP. Look at this. Again, I'm not making this up. Look at this. You think it's coincidence? No. You know, uh, major QP are fucking well respected. Um, Holy. So anyways, okay, so that's good. Massive confirmation here. So let's take a look at the daily. Daily, we got a lower low now. Okay. Of course, you know what I'm gonna say. Of course, the best would be this, and breaking above here, retest to continue to the upside, grab the entry somewhere around here, and that's it. But this isn't a perfect world. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour as a new lower low. Perfect. It's an alert, and we're good to go. So EuroCAD definitely looking nice, but not for now. So great potential maybe for next week or end of the week. Who knows? We'll see. GBPCHF weekly is bearish from a long time ago also, which is was August. Also, anything in between, just market structure. We failed on creating a new lower low here, which just I don't like it. But daily is that the rejected the safety net, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. No, we actually broke above, so I'm not interested in that one. Boom, later. Okay, 80 USD. 80 USD. Okay, so 80 USD, we are bearish also since August. God damn. Okay. So we got that pullback. Now the daily is bearish. And again, okay, so this is another great example. Like here, just like such a small pullback, which is same as I think it was NZD USD if I'm not wrong. So same kind of shit. Yeah, basically, oops. Yeah, now we're getting closer. So yeah, gotta wait again for that one. I don't really believe in that pullback. Let's take a look at 4 hour, 4 hour. Let's update that. We are bullish from there to there. Didn't move yet. So yeah, nothing so far for the USD. USD CHF now. Who was that? That was Zarif. Also, we're gonna go take a look at your trade. All right, so USD CHF. Who took that trade? I think that was that was it Alex? I don't know. I didn't follow. Like the thing is, I don't look at the swing Sunday because I do my own thing, and I don't want to be influenced. Um, I love to go check after I did my thing. Sometimes, but not every time. No, I think what was the trade? Was it actually when I see a story, I don't even look at the pair that he's in, to be honest. Instead of it's if it's written like very well, like I notice obviously, but like I don't look or zoom or trying to find out. I used to do that like way back, but now just I don't want to be influenced. Um, When you say the pullback looks small, is it based on the golden zone only, or is there other things to look for? Good question. It's mostly based on the. I mean, don't get me wrong. The golden zone, the fib, is a tool, right? It's guys. If you never heard the story about Fibonacci, just Google Fibonacci story theory, whatever. You're gonna get the full video. So anyways, it's with everything in life. Okay, it's not just about trading. But yeah, I mean, the fib is just an area where the price might pull back, and most of the time price will have a pullback, a decent pullback, which is between the 50 and the 618, or the 382 can be the smallest rejection. So that's why when I see like a small rejection, not even like reaching the 382, I kind of not believe into it. Like if trade happened and I missed the trade, I'm like, oh well, I missed it. But most of the time, guys, the problem with the problem with people and traders, is like, let's say they said, oh, okay, Sasha said, okay, that pullback is too small, I'm not taking it, and the trade happened, boom, shut down, right? Like 100 pips. Like, man, that was bullshit, so now I'm gonna take all those small pullback, right? But you realize that with 100 trades, there'll be probably like 20% of those trades that's gonna be working out, so you're gonna be saving like 80% of the time, you know so that's what I came up to realize over time, over hundreds of trades, that most of the time, not saying never ever, say most of the time, price will have a decent pullback before shooting up into its right direction, even up or down, whatever. But that is it, so you guys got to understand. The other thing also that kind of bothered me with a lot of newer traders, it's just, guys, be confident, believe in yourself. I see people in Discord like, oh, are we in a trade? Like, what do you mean we? What do you mean we? Are you in a trade? Or I see people asking, where's my TP? I'm like, what the fuck, guys? Like, or where do I put my stop loss? Dude, if you're in a trade and you don't have a plan, get the fuck out of there. Just like, you're gonna lose money. When you enter a trade, you should know, where am I to sell? Where's my TP? You know, if not, it's like going in a car and said, I don't know where I'm going. I put gas, but whatever. I'm just going straight 120 kilometers an hour. If there's a wall, I'll hit a wall. I'm going straight line, right? Like, you don't have a plan. It's just like, this doesn't make sense at all. Guys, stop asking in Discord, like, are we taking a trade? Are we in a trade? What about you? What is your plan? Put your plan on fucking papers, right? Just like, stop with this thing. You guys, trading is hard. Trading is tough. Trading is a real thing. Don't treat it as something like, I don't know. I don't have a good example for that, but whatever. Just like treat it for the real stuff. Treat it as you are working on this shit. Why you should believe somebody else. That maybe it's been trading for 1 month more than you. Just like why. Sometimes I keep it quiet in there, but sometimes I read stuff, guys. It's like, it's scary. It's just like, it's fucking scary. I'm not saying I'm the best, or I know everything, but guys, believe in yourself. Do your plan, and it's okay to chit chat with people, and oh yeah, I think this and that. That's fine to have discussion. That's all good. But man, it's just sad, because there's people listening to some people that don't even know what they're doing. And again, I'm not saying that to be harsh or hard on anyone. I'm just saying that to help you, because I got one mentor back then that was pretty harsh on people with that, and that was good. It was backslapping those people behind the head, trying to make them realize that, man, if you're getting in a trade and you have no plan, it's worthless. Just leave it alone. Stop trading. When you enter a trade, you should know, where my stop loss, and where's my TP. And you should not say, yeah, I'm gonna move my stop loss. What the fuck? This is number one rule. You put your stop loss somewhere, don't fucking touch it. Just like, if you're getting stops because you were wrong, the stop loss is there to save you. You don't move your stop loss, because now if you move your stop loss, you just fucked up your ROI. You just fucked up your plan for all week, because you were planning on risking, let's say, 3% total this week, and now you move your stop loss and you're screwed, because in one trade you just lost 3%. So do not fucking touch your stop loss. I mean, this is such a newbie thing, guys. Just when I hear someone say that, just like, don't do this. Place your stop loss according to your plan, and trust your plan. Okay. If the plan doesn't work out, that's fine. Go back on the drawing board and just draw another plan for another day. Okay. So this is very important, guys. Very, very important. Because if not, you're not respecting your plan. If you're not respecting your plan, how can you fucking find out if your plan's working? If you keep moving stuff around and not knowing what you're doing, or doing half of the plan this today and the other half the next day, and finally, and now you're switching strategy because you were never able to actually really test the plan. You know, God damn, this is a discussion for Forex Talk over beer, man. I'm going all out here. Okay, so anyway, sorry guys, I got sidetracked. Um, Man, this all started with Ferris question. Sorry, guys. I went like shoo. But hopefully that make you realize some stuff. Max Rent. I mean USDCHF. Just tuning in better late than ever. Hope you're having a great day, brother. Hey Max, welcome, welcome. So we're about to talk about USDCHF. Sorry, I got sidetracked on the discussion here. Yeah, it's scary. It is. In this game, you're alone. You got no one to blame for your loss. Absolutely, 200%. Um, and guys, by the way, I'm not doing my steps right now with you with my walking pad, and the reason why is because I went to play pickleball yesterday, and when I play any sport, I'm kind of a guy that is all in or nothing. Man, that ball was close to the net. I actually dove like there was no tomorrow. But man, I knocked up my knee pretty bad. So this morning it's kind of it hurt. So I'm gonna do my steps a little later today. But this morning it's still a little stiff. So I'm just gonna wait that it gets better. Okay, so now let's focus back. Okay, let's talk about USDCHF. Okay, so we got a weekly bearish, right? We got our pullback inside that weekly golden zone, which is perfect. And again, there's no area of interest because there's nothing on the left for like until what 2014. So I mean, it's not worth it. So that's why I'm on this one. I'm only using my golden zone, which is also if you look here, right here, this is also major QP. Bam, right here. What's the odds? There we go. Now if you look at the daily time frame, we are still bearish. We have the pullback, which is perfect, which is, I think it's the same golden zone if I'm not wrong, or very close to it. Actually here that finished the push. Here we're respected to the dot this safety net, which is perfect. Rejection of the major QP. Okay, perfect, excellent. This looks good. Perfect. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, this is where I missed this entry if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Let's take a look. So we were bullish here to here. Finally went bearish. So you gotta wait for this pullback. Let's, for learning purposes, let's find out if they were a good entry somewhere in here. And again, this was also inside that H4 golden zone. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. So let's take a look on the 1 hour. So let's see where so here we were bearish from there to there. So we don't need anything. There's no engulfing candle here. Here we had a lower low. So I actually know because, hold on, wait a second. Here we don't have an elbow. Let's take a look at the 2 hour for 1 second. Maybe it's more clean. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. To be honest, I don't know if I would have taken that one. In all honesty, I just don't know why. Just like I feel it doesn't feel right. But this is a great entry. But me personally, I don't know why, but I'm kind of not feeling it. Yeah. Plus, the thing is, with that one, I mean, it kind of screwed you up on stop loss, um, because you don't know where you're gonna put it, because your structure is here, right? Um, I don't know. Let's see. Let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minute. Oh, here we go. You see, when it's not clean on one time frame, just move down one time frame, move up one time frame. It's gonna be cleaner. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, here we go. So here, all right, perfect. So anything in between, whatever, 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 whatever. We finally broke and closed above this one right here, right? So this is, let's remove this. So this is our new high. Here we're straight up. Boom. So we're bullish at that moment, right? So I cannot take the trade here. So bullish, bullish, bullish. We're still bullish. Here we create a higher high. So this is perfect actually. So now we flip bearish. Here we have this pullback. So I guess here, but this is a very small pullback though. Let's take a look. Are we rejecting 382 at least? Yeah, okay. So we're rejecting 382. So I would be willing to risk like 1% or 0.5 here. But the thing is, your stop loss is going to be super high. So I would not be interested in that one. Because if you do this, your stop loss has to be over there. Because, I mean, this is where the previous structure is. You know? Yeah. So this doesn't make sense. I would not take that trade. So now let's find out if there's another opportunity. And this, I'm doing this right now for learning purposes, guys, trying to find out the entry on the USDCHF. That makes sense. So now after that, we create a lower low and we flip bullish. So now we're bullish. We finally broke under here. Actually, this. Here, so now we're finally bearish. Wait for the pullback, and again we flip bullish. So this shit was not easy. Here we become bearish, and still so far no entry for me. Yeah, I would not be in that trade. So yeah, okay. So still so far no entry. Okay, so now let's find out if there's any entry possible. And again, that's just for me. 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hours still bearish. Um, 1 hour. 1 hour. Let's update those lines. Um, so here we went bullish. So we're still bullish on 1 hour. 30-minute. Here, 30-minute went bearish though. Here. Oh, Faris, you're still there? Because we're gonna go take a look at your trade. I just want to know if you're still here. Don't want to do this if you're not here. I'm sorry, I completely forgot. Got sidetracked. Okay, cool. So yeah, USDCHF, not very interesting right now. I mean, we need a 1 hour to go bearish. You know, we need a 1 hour to go bearish. 30-minute is bearish. 2 hour is bullish right now. So we got a 2 hour bullish, 4 hour bearish. So it's a lot of confusion here. I would not touch USDCHF at the moment, to be honest. Plus, look at this area. It's been rejecting hard. Like rejection, rejection. Look at those wick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12 on the 4 hour. So I'm gonna be more interested if we kind of break under and retest, to be honest, which is more clean here to the left. Hopefully that makes sense. Guys, make sure to smash that goddamn like button. Faris, are you still there? Faris, is that Faris? Zarif, sorry, man, I said Faris. Zarif, are you still here? Let me know if you're still here. You bring up great points, bro. Thank you for taking the time to help us. Hey, my pleasure, man. My pleasure. We're here for that. Krish, would great help. Zarif, you're still here? Okay, cool. All right, great. We'll jump into your trade. Great help. Would you take a look at my B trade on EC? Sensei, as there are two other questions I'm looking answer for real. Confused on that. Okay, we'll go take a look after Zarif. You won the trade already? That's beautiful. Okay, so let's go take a look at it. Let's go take a look at why you won that trade. Here we go. Oh, okay. Um. mm, 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 mm. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oops. God damn. Here we go. Let's do this. Come on. Copy. There we go. Perfect. All right, so we got Zarif trade here. This is NZD USD. Okay, great. So this is the 15-minute. Oh, okay. Um, It's really hard when there's no annotations, Arif, to find out what was your thought process. Why are you taking that trade? What are you looking at for confirmation? What's the plan, basically? Because right now, the thing that I understand is you established this zone as a no trade zone, and you waited to break under, have that retest here, nice engulfing candle. So you got your break retest engulfing candle, and you took that trade. That's how I interpret it, but I have no clue if it's the deal right now. Let's go take a look at NZD USD. And how can you add win that trade? When was that? I'm just curious, because trades, was that a 61 to 60? 61 61 to 60. So that was like right here somewhere. It went down a bit, but not that much. So I guess your stop loss was very small. Anywhere going for 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. I don't know. That's the thing. It's really, really, really hard when there's no annotation, guys. So it's hard for me to help you on that one. Can you, Krish? Can you send the? Oh, okay, perfect. You send it. So here, guys, I'm going to show you what's a good way to do a chart. And this is almost perfection. Good job, Krish. So we got annotation, so we know exactly what we're looking for. What's the plan? So here we got our confluence to go along. This, guys, take some notes. Confluence to go along. 30% weekly bull, daily bull, and 4-hour bull. Perfect. We got the weekly area of interest, weekly doji, boom, boom, boom. All this confluence to go along, all noted here. Noted price bouncing off at a weekly and 4-hour golden zone. Perfect. So here we got the 30-minute switch of structure and H4 engulfing here, right here. Because right now we're looking at a 4-hour time frame. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oops. What am I doing here? Need to. Okay, perfect. So, there we go. So RTP was above, still was close. RTP was above. Oh, above this line? No, above number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Okay, so to be close there as swaps were getting high and were to lose more than what we risk when include swaps. Yeah, that makes sense. You manage your trade. We were holding this trade from past 10 days. From now and from last 6-day price was just sideways in a tight range. So close the trade here with profits so that our swaps can be covered. Smart. Broke our rules, set and forget. Yeah, sometimes it is. It is what it is. For this one trade, as an exceptional, as we're to lose more than risk if SL was hit due to swaps. I think that's perfect. I think that's a good way to manage your risk. And we were already holding this trade since 10 days. That's another good point. Also, honestly, Holding trade for 10 days is a real thing, is a real challenge, guys. It doesn't seem like it at first when you look at it just like that and you never did it. But man, the trades that I did hold for 10 days, a little bit more, for me it was a huge challenge. I come from scalping, so this was very tough. Also, the R was 2.6, which was not worth of holding this trade and giving swaps. Absolutely. Question: did we make the correct decision by breaking the main rule, set and forget for this one? Um, I mean, I think there's no right or wrong answer here. I think it's a good way to manage your risk, and you're the only one that can actually answer that. I cannot answer that for you. I think personally, it's actually a smart way to manage your risk. What would you suggest we could have done better? I don't think there's anything you could have done better on that thing. What would you have done on this trade and manage it? I think I would do probably the same thing. The only reason why I might not have done it, it's probably just because lack of time. I would just probably set and forget, because I'm super busy. But honestly, if I would have been managing it the right way, I think that makes sense. To be honest. So yeah, no, nothing wrong here, bud. So yeah, no, good, very good, very good. And again, very well done. Next time, yeah, sure, Zarif. Yeah, next time it's because it's easier for me to give you hints or help or comments. Because right now I'm just looking at the chart and trying to guess what you did. So that's why it's kind of hard. Next time we'll add more details. You interpret my entry idea right. Took 10 pips and out. Okay, perfect. Yeah, scalp wise on that side. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. But yeah, if you're able to label it a little bit, it's going to be just easier for next time we analyze your chart. What time is it? 8:30. So market open now. Let's go check out our main pair that we're looking at. If there's any other pairs you guys want to look at, let me know. Let's go back to GJ here, scalp wise. GJ, stuff's about to happen. Look at this. We're close. This 4 hour did broke the previous low and about to close as a doji in 22 minutes. That means we might have a pullback here. Daily. Okay, so we're inside that golden zone on the 4 hour. Oh no, on the daily, sorry. So now if I look at the 4 hour, I would not be surprised if from here we starting to push back up. So yeah, I might use my dovetail setup here on that H4 candle. Because if it does close doji, or bullish, I wait for the wick down to be formed. And once we're passing the high of the candle, I'm going to take it to the upside. It's going to be a quick scalp in and out, maybe like 15, 20 pips. And that's about it. But I'm going to wait for that. 1 hour, 1 hour established support here. Yeah, it would be, yeah, looking this ranging here. We got a major QP above 187. And yeah, this is the undershot level. Okay, so here at the undershot level, we can see like a reversal pattern. The undershot level is the 750. So basically under the major QP. There's a lot of rejection pattern at the undershot or overshot level. So that's something that yeah, I will keep in mind and look at this rejection. So yeah, so definitely gonna be looking at GJ in 20-ish minutes. 80 CAD, 80 CAD where we're at. We're like 15 pips. Okay. So still holding. Euro CHF. All right, as you can see, the move is slowly fading out. And how can you tell that? Just look at those body candle. Look, big volume, big volume, big volume, smaller and smaller volume. Look at this, and we got this rejection here to this resistance here to the left. And yeah, so let's look how this 1 hour is going to close in 20 minutes. If it closed doji with a nice wick here to the upside, look like we might have a pullback there. 30-minute, yeah, will be great. Will be great for the 30-minute to flip back bearish. Yep. Actually, let's update this here. And in this one, I might reduce my risk and not wait for 1 hour to go bearish. Because I mean the low's over there. The only thing I would do that if price start to do something like this, and breaking under, retest to continue the downside. But the 30-minute is giving me this beautifully, so I might reduce my risk to 0.5 percent or 1%. I don't know. We'll see if we do break under here. Actually, yeah, let's update this. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah. So definitely going to keep an eye on this. I'm actually going to put an alert. Going bearish. Perfect. GU. GU, do we have to update anything here for our, no, oh, we're close to our alert. 1 hour, 30-minute. All right, we're good. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Do we have any other? By the way, guys, I always get the question, but if you guys want a safe broker, I don't think they do business in the US though. Canada and many other countries, but you definitely want to take a look at Black Bull. They are super fast, very good. Definitely want to take a look at them. There's a referral link down below. So with that referral link, they will give you the best spread with a minimum deposit of $200, which is super low. So you'll get upgraded right away with that link. Okay, so because if you don't have that link, usually I think it's minimum deposit of, I can't remember. I think it's 1,000, 2,000. I can't remember. But yeah, if you use that link, you're gonna be upgraded right away. And of course, they send me like some small, referral money, of obviously, but yeah, here, let's see, question. Thank you, Sensei. Oh, thank you, Sensei, for the answer. And yes, now I think I'm at the right. Yeah, you're good, man. First, had to have I had that happen to me with ADUSD. It went just under 1 to 2, 3 different time in a week. Yeah, crazy. Um, we got Jolt's data, and after 20 minutes, not like we care about news. Yeah, we don't give a fuck about news. Yep. Yeah, I mean, for me, news, it's just like sometimes it's just like if there's major news, I'm just gonna wait for the storm to pass and just enter after. But I don't really look at news. Just of course NFP and CPI are just madness. So I'm trying to wait or stay away for that moment and enter after. But Joy, never really fucked up my analysis, so we're good. Give me 1 sec, guys. Give me 1 sec. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ok, c'est parce que j'entends plein de téléphones, puis du monde qui crie, puis qu'est-ce qui se passe? All right, guys. So, let's see here. Okay. News is like looking at market with popcorn and soda. Yeah, absolutely. It's like a bit. It's like a movie. All right, guys. Let's see. Is there any other question? Um, man, you guys. Again, I know I'm a pain in the butt with this thing, but this thing, it's making money. Uh, like I got my first horse making me like $1,000 USD in profit racing, just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. You definitely want to go check this out, man. This is the Soul Dog stable that I created for the Soul Dogs project. They only have like two. We only bought three horses in that one, if I'm not wrong. Hold on, my stable right here. So yeah, we got four. So we got a full that it's too young to be racing yet. He's only 0 years old. He's gonna be turning one, and he can race at two. I bought this guy in a claiming race for very cheap. So I'm trying to make something with him and maybe flip him in profits. This girl, we bought it pregnant, so she's not racing obviously because she's pregnant. She's gonna get her baby in 3 weeks. And we got this guy making some decent money right now. So he won a couple of races, but yeah, I definitely want to check this out, man. It's crazy. Um, Still learning how to select races for horse. Suggest me a video where I can learn about that. Since yeah, there's a couple good guys. Like if you go take a look at on YouTube, um, you go take a look at Lino. Is that Lino NFT something like that? Yeah, right here. So this guy has some nice introduction video. So NFT Lino, you definitely want it. How come I'm not subscribed? Oh, it's because I'm not linked on my account right now. But yeah, you can follow this guy. And there's also two, three other one that are really good, which is hold on, I'm there. If I only do photo finish, god damn. Um, this guy, I don't know this guy, but looks like there's a video on basic stuff. This guy here. So MG Gaming, very solid, very, very, very solid. So this guy definitely want to check him out. Some very solid stuff. MG Gaming Network, and there's also um, okay. It looked like this guy did some good stuff here. Oh, we got an alert. I'm gonna go check out the chart. Um, where's that other one? I think it's Tombstone. Tombstone. No, AB. 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 Horse power. Maybe is that it? Photo finish. No. I'm gonna find it. Oh goddamn. Oh well. Anyways, I don't find it. But yeah, there's you can start with that, or you can go into the Discord of Photo Finish and say, hey, can you guys suggest me some video? And they're gonna ping you with a shit ton of video and reading that you can do, or message me on Discord. Um, but yeah, man, there's a couple of stuff. All right, so we got some alerts that came up. I just deleted by mistake. What was it? Hold on, let me check my phone. So look like we got Euro CHF alert coming out. Um, at Chris YouTube, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, no. If you race into the wrong preference of your horse, it's not gonna be good. If it's right dirt, you definitely want to go right dirt. If he has a lot of star for soft, you want to go 60% and above raining um chance. And if he's firm, you want to go under 40% of chance of raining. Sure, we'll join on Discord. Let's go. Send me a link to /FX.brother. Yeah, message me on Discord because now we finally have referral code for photo finish, which is new since I think yesterday or 2 days ago. So yeah, so message me on Discord. I'll send you my referral code. I don't even know if they give anything, to be honest. It's just whatever. I just love this game because it's been like amazing. Like if you look at like this guy, this is my sheet here. This guy. Look at this. Woo! First horse at $1,000. Am I small right here? Let's put it bigger. So $1,000 profit. Like in not a lot of race, right? So maybe like what, 1, 2, maybe like 20-ish race, something like that. So pretty good, pretty good. This is all my fillies that are pregnant. So yeah, got a couple of them. I'm gonna have 12 babies this in 3 weeks, so that should be good. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart because we got an alert here on Euro CHF. So let's go check it out. Euro CHF. What happened here? What happened here? Oh, the 30-minute. Oh, okay. Look at this, guys. Okay, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Might be taking this trade. Wow, look at this rejection. Okay, let me set up my chart here on my MT4. Euro CHF, where are you? Give me one sec, guys. Bear with me. Not all my chart gone on my MT4, so I need to redo everything. I'm gonna import templates. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah. Properties, scale fix. Here we go. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we put, if I put, let's say the entry is right here. Let's say the candle's close. I'm gonna put stop above here. So that's gonna be +5. So 22-ish. Well, how many was that? Like, let's say 18. So 18 plus 5, so what, 23. Somewhere like that. And we can write it down at least to here, which is not great. It's a 1-to-1. But if I see any problem in here, like rejection, because this level's been pain in the butt, I might just exit it there. This one I might have to be careful because we're close to that support. But on the bigger picture though, if I look on the daily, yeah, that's good. That's really good. Yeah, we should go for a 3-to-1 here. Perfect. Yeah, so this one might close bearish engulfing. And since it's super close here, I will not wait for that pullback. Look at this thing. Just being insane. So I'm going to reduce my risk though because the H1 is not bearish. So I'm going to go with 0.5 here. Since I have another trade running, I don't want to risk too much at the same time. So let's say I add 5 pips here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just waiting for that candle to close, and we'll see. Um, Currency pair, what up, dog? How you doing, bud? Doing good, man. We'll make new account. Oh well, yeah. If you didn't buy any ores, you can. Yeah. Um. So yeah, just send me sorry, Mugi. Yeah, just send me what's up on Discord, and I'll send it to you. Um, Krishman, I love if you start vlogs. I know you're a busy guy. Just suggest. Yeah, maybe one day. Maybe one day. Who knows? Who knows? Whew. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just waiting on that for like what? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So 3 minutes. Let's go check GJ. GJ, what did I told you guys? I'm also gonna get GJ ready just in case. Usually for that kind of trades is I wait for the wick to be done on the next candle to put the stop under and write it up. Last one, check GN. Okay, but please remember me in 2 minutes that I need to go check my chart. GN. GN. God damn. Okay, so GN is bullish. We are at a high, so it's not very interesting. Daily, bullish. We don't have a proper pullback yet. Yeah, we did. Okay, perfect. Let's take a look now at the area of interest. So there's one here. So daily area of interest. We got another one. Yeah, here, but it's been destroyed. So we had another one here, but it's been destroyed, so we're gonna remove it. And yeah, that's about it. So now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish now, so we gotta wait for the 4 hour to flip back bullish. What time is it? Okay. Yeah, I gotta wait for the 4 hour to go back bullish once again. Yeah, I would not be in a rush with this one. I think it's going to be a little lower, and after that, we'll break structure. So I like what I wanted to see here is something like this, retest here to go up. Yeah, so that will be it. Okay, I need to go back now. Euro CHF, Euro CHF, Euro CHF. What time is it? We're closing in 31 seconds. Euro CHF, where are you? God damn, where are you? Euro CHF. Where's my Euro CHF? Oh, here you go. 30-minute. Here we go. Okay, so we're about to close here in 15 seconds. Can we close with a wick, please? Okay, there's a tiny wick. I would love for the top wick to be formed, like to go up a little bit before coming down, so I can take a better entry. So that's why I'm waiting. Got my magic key in hand. Got my finger on the button to open trade. If it start breaking the previous low, I'm gonna take that trade right away and not wait. But I would prefer to go up maybe like a 5, 6, 7 pips, create a top wick, and have a better entry. Um, all right. I took that first entry right away. So yeah, we're in. I mean, I'm in. It was like kind of, what is it? It's 9-3-4-10 with the spread. 9-3-4-10. So kind of right here with the spread. So stop above. So we got stop 30 pip. So it's a pretty big stop. We'll see. If it starts coming back up, I might take another 0.5 and put it at 1. We'll see. We shall see. But that's the entry right now. Magic Key gives like video game vid, I think. Never used, but will in the future. Yeah. Yeah, Magic Key is so simple. Like, just like it does all the maths, calculate your lot size percentage, whatever, put your stop loss at break even automatically, partial TP, auto break even. There's so much stuff you can do. Trail your stop in profits, close full, close half, close custom. Um, yeah, so it's pretty cool. Um, Oh, you got the digital version. Yeah, it's good, man. It's the same shit. I just like the feel of the in my hand, kind of thing. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I'm doing overtime today, but I need to go because I got some meetings coming up. Um, so let's see here. So again, thank you so much for being here this morning. It was great. Make sure to smash the goddamn like button, share this to your friend, and we're gonna be on live again Thursday. Yeah, what am I saying? Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna go for Forex Talk for beer. So peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday. Take care, guys. Have a great day.